my besties, how are you? In today's video, I'm bringing to you this adorable honey pot flower arrangement idea. So easy to make, so budget friendly, yet original and cute gift idea for any Winnie the Pooh lover out there. I'll show you step by step how to recreate this, and you just press the like and subscribe button for more, okay? Let's get started.
You are going to need a little clay pot from the Dollar Tree. They sell these in sets of 2 or 3. And I'm just dry brushing it with brown paint. Of course, you can use a larger one if you like. I want to create a miniature arrangement. So I wiped off some excess paint. And next, I'm using yellow paint around the rim to create like a dripping honey effect. Next, I'm going to use the Dollar Tree puffy paint, and I'm going all the way around the edges and then filling in as well to make it look more 3D. Yes, we are making a honey pot. And when you are done, you are going to shake the pot and hit it against the table so the drips become more smooth and more realistic. Next, with a Sharpie marker, we are going to write a label, honey, the way that Winnie the Pooh would spell it. Next, we are going to leave this out to dry, and we are going to soak our floral foam and go get some flowers in the garden. I think the daisies or sunflowers are perfect for the honey pot. Also, we need some greenery or just green hydrangeas will do. And of course, you can use the fake flowers if you prefer, even from the Dollar Tree. For the miniature pot, we don't need much. I left my pot out in the sun so it dried up real fast. And I have some floral foam soaked up already. I'm going to put it in. 2 pieces, one at the bottom, one on the top. And this is going to be the easiest flower arranging ever. This little hydrangea flower is going to serve as our green base. All you have to do is stick it in the center, push all the way through, and ta-da! Look, it's already filled in. Next, all you have to do is trim your daisy stems and stick them in around the pot. Look how easy. You start with the tallest one in the center and then the smaller one all the way around. So easy. I think we can fit one more, maybe 2, and look how cute. The easiest flower arranging ever, isn't it? And I love that it's so tiny. Of course, honey attracts bees. We need at least one of these 3D bees from the Dollar Tree. I hope they put out more. I haven't seen these this year. I'm using leftover stash. Oh my gosh, so cute. Don't forget, spray your arrangement with water and keep it refrigerated until you are ready to give it to someone, okay? I'm also going to include a little Starbucks gift card for coffee and for a cherry on top. Look what I have, a miniature honey dipper. Isn't that perfect? I was gonna keep it as a prop on the side, but you know what? I think I'm gonna stick it on the side. Why not? Oh, it's just perfect now, isn't it? I love those little gifts. They don't cost much to make, but they're so special, guaranteed to put a smile on somebody's face. Thank you so much for watching, my besties. See you next time. Bye-bye.